Excuse me, could I borrow a pen?
You even know how to write? Don't waste the court's time.
The lawyer in the expensive suit looked at me like I was dirt. He turned to his colleagues. Why do they let people like this in here? She looks homeless. The other lawyers laughed. Someone nearby pulled out their phone, recording. The security guard stared at me with suspicious eyes. No one said a word in my defense. The whole room felt like it was against me, but they had no idea what was about to happen in the next few minutes. My name is Margaret Hayes. I'm 73 years old. That morning, I wore an old brown sweater with holes in the sleeves, faded pants, and cracked black Oxford shoes. What they didn't know, I'm one of the most decorated civil rights attorneys in the South. 187 cases won. Time magazine once called me one of the most influential lawyers of the 20th century. I retired 8 years ago, but that day, I came to testify for a 19-year-old black kid, falsely accused of theft. I dressed this way on purpose. I needed to see if the justice system I gave my life to still respected the dignity of people who look like me. The lawyer, Robert Crawford, kept going. When I dropped my pen, he stepped on it. Here, let me give you this cheap one. It matches your outfit. His friends erupted in laughter. My chest felt tight. The system I built, the courts I fought for, they were failing right in front of me. Then, Sarah Chen appeared, a young court clerk, maybe 26. Ma'am, would you like some water? Her voice was soft, respectful. She helped me fill out a form when Crawford refused. She sat next to me, listening to my story while others mocked her. Crawford sneered at her. Stop wasting time with nobodies. Do your actual job. But Sarah didn't move. She stayed right there beside me. Her kindness reminded me why I became a lawyer in the first place. I reached into my old purse and pulled out a white envelope. Sweetie, could you give this to Judge Henderson before the hearing starts? It's urgent. Sarah hesitated but took it. Crawford laughed. Probably a begging letter from another freeloader. Inside that envelope was something that would change Sarah's life forever. Something that would flip everything upside down for Mr. Crawford. Want to know what was written inside? Comment part 2 and I'll tell you the rest.